What's up, guys? Matt over here at BSP. Just want to pop in real quick and showcase for you guys something we installed on a Tesla today. We work with a couple different companies that provide all sorts of different accessories and features to upgrade your Tesla. You may think that there's not a lot out there for EV vehicles, especially Teslas in terms of upgrades, but there are. You just have to know where to look. So one of the things I want to showcase today is just the soft close door feature. This is what we installed on all 4 doors. It replaces the factory latch, and basically instead of having to slam your door closed, all you have to do is shut it to where it touches the hinge, and then the door will suck itself closed. So avoids any damage to the latch or the hinge from slamming your doors, protects pain in the door jamb, and also it's just a nice little feature, you know. But they offer all sorts of different things, from soft closed doors to auto present door handles for the models that don't come with them, auto trunk and front features, foot activated tailgate. We have companies that do suspension for Teslas. So if you have any questions or you want to upgrade your Tesla, just give us a shout. We'll tell you what's out there, and we can get a game plan together to get yours up and running just like this one.